my name is Isaac, and this is Child vs. Wild. Bum-bee-dum-bum. Today, I am in the Peruvian swamp, one of the most wild habitats that I have ever ventured to. In mere seconds, I'm going to jump into the swamp down below. Join me on Child vs. Wild, where I explore the most dangerous habitats of Peru. So long. I've landed in the swamps. My shoes are a mess already. It's completely disgusting down here. Swampy, wet, moldy, and you could easily get lost too.
Trick, roll 1, scene 1, take 1. Soft sticks.
Sun's getting pretty low in the sky out there. I found, actually, a few green, nice and live plants that will make for some good. Hello, I'm here to start my dangerous trek into the Peru jungles. Here we go then. We've made it now. There are many cats here. Wild cats, of course.
And action!
Bum-bee-dum-bum.
Hey guys, in case you listen to messages, it's me, Pops. I just called to say hello, and I'm curious about your filmmaking, what's going on with this film and how you do it. At your leisure when you feel like it, give me a call, okay? Hope you're well. Bye.